Hi everyone, it's Christine, your Artsy Momsy, and I am actually in Washington State to celebrate my daughter's birthday with our friends here in our used-to-be hometown in Blaine, Washington. And I have an unboxing for you because I will have to discard all the packaging. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now so I could put my stuff away and pack them because we are leaving today. We were here only for like 3 days. For now, let's do our unboxing. And I'll probably show you our Airbnb later because it's super cute. Alrighty. So as usual, classic box. I'm actually disappointed. I was hoping to get, this is a small order, so I'm hoping to get like a smaller box, hoping that I would still get like the Mother's Day packaging, but oh well. Let me move this a little bit. There you go. Here we go. So it moved a little bit. The sticker is all the way down there. You know what? And because I'm not gonna bring this packaging, so I might as well rip it, right? So I made this order because my account was downgraded and I am eligible to get another welcome gift. So I was a gold and it was downgraded to silver. But let's start with the free stuff I got. I have a Sauvage here. Love this. So because I was silver, I got 2 deluxe samples, and I have here the Dior Home right there. And I got 2 other samples to match. That way when I gift these items, I could just put them together. There you have it. Those are the samples. Usual, it came with this small dust bag. And for the items that I ordered, finally, I got the new products. I know I am super late, but here we go. I got my hands on the new butter lip or lip butter. Go. For me, I really think this is overpriced. This is, I think, $42, but I just want to have just one because of the cute packaging. Oops. Here we go. And next item, this is what I'm excited about, and I'm sure I'll probably buy more of this. The packaging is gorgeous. It's like a bigger lip glow for the lips, but this one is, here we go. Let me see here. Here we go. So I don't have makeup right now. I'm gonna try it, but this video will probably end at home, so I'll show you the swatches when I get home. And finally, excited about this. So originally I was not gonna buy this specific product because I thought it's overpriced. It would have been better if it was the same price as the regular LeBaum and just, you know, have this kind of packaging for free. But I saw one of the masterclass and it says there that this is refillable, and so that's what actually got me this, because I like to refill it later with my favorite lotion. And so this beautiful packaging will not be wasted. Let's see how that works actually. Even more. There you go. So you could open it up. It has 2 openings. You can see there's oopsie here. So there's to open the product. There you go. That's to open the product to use it. That's to open the whole bottle. I wish Dior would do the same thing for every product because they are just so beautiful to throw them away. Like, I wish this would be also refillable. Like, they could just sell us like this part right here and replace it. So Dior, if you are watching, please make all your products refillable because the packaging are just super cute. So there you have it, and I already know where to use this. Well, I'll probably use it with most of my bags, but yes, very excited. Here you go. And so yes, those are all the items that I got. And this one, I'm also excited about the gift with purchase. I chose this because you know, I do a lot of get ready with me, and so here we go. Super happy about this. I would say it's probably not worth it for the price. I think it was $175 just to get the clips, but because like I've said, my account was downgraded and I'm receiving another welcome gift, then I thought, okay, I'll go ahead with this because I actually really like them. So when I do my get ready with me, you know, wear my makeup, I could have this, and I think it's just cute and give me that a little Dior moment. Oh my gosh, I feel like I still have something on my eyes. I just washed my face like super quick just to do this video because I will have to start packing super soon. And for my silver welcome gift, receiving this item actually for the third time. Well, the first one was I think it was my gold welcome gift, like almost 2 years ago already, I think. And then I received it as a gift with purchase with a promo code, and now receiving it again as a welcome gift. This time it's for silver. So there you have it. I'm pretty sure you all already know about this. I saw a video of Give Me the Look, and she has the updated welcome gift for platinum members, and I thought that is wonderful. I'll try to insert the clip here. And I am $40 away to get my gold. I'm wondering if it's still gonna be the same welcome gift. I will keep you guys posted. I was so itching to purchase for Father's Day because they did the stackable gift with purchases. However, at the moment, I really don't have anything to buy, and you know, it's okay to wait. You guys, I want you to know that don't fall for just the gift with purchases. You know, if you don't have anything to buy, don't buy anything. Buy, stack on your favorite items when the time is right. So, because these gifts with purchase, they're always gonna come back, so don't worry about it. And so that's my strategy. I might have to purchase something for maybe in 4th of July, but for now, I'm happy with the items I got. And yeah, I'm actually excited about this because I'm planning on gifting one for my mother and the other one for my sister-in-law. So there you have it. I have enough for gifting already. And that's it for our super quick unboxing, and I will show you around before you go. Alrighty? Alright, so this is our cute Airbnb. It's a tiny home and it has 2 bedrooms. This is the living room, and here's the kitchen. How cute is that? All the appliances are super cute. And right here, this is where I filmed earlier outside. It feels super fresh outside. I love the weather here in Blaine. It's chill the most time, great breeze. So even on summer day, it feels great. There's only a few days when it's really hot. And I thought the decor are super sweet. And here is the guest bedroom. This is where my kids slept. There was only a single bed, but they're tiny right now. They're little babies, so they fit all right. And right here, there's a washer and dryer. There it is. So I washed all our clothes last night so we can bring home clean clothes. I don't have to worry about those. And here is the bathroom. It's a great size actually. I love it. Here's the shower. Can move conveniently there. And yeah, I think it's everything they put here is super nice. They make good use of the space they have here. And lastly, right here is the master's bedroom.
I believe this is a full-size bed right here, and there's a little closet on the side right here. Okay, that's all you need. Like I've said, we're only here for like 3 days, so it's good enough. Yeah, that's it. I thought it's really cute. Let me know what you think.
Of course, thank you for sticking with me. Again, if you're new here, it's Kristen Flores, your Artsy Momsy, and in this channel, I'm so very dedicated to helping you maximize your Dior Beauty shopping experience. So if you're not subscribed yet and you like Dior Beauty, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of the great Dior deals. Until next time, bye-bye.